I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come on now,
time.
you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, I am back again. It's like never fucking go away, right? I'm going away for a day or two for a work thing, and so I want to pump out a couple videos tonight. Putting that overpriced thing up there. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I use in most of my micros. Give me one. Here's my Mocha micro. I used a Foxeer camera in micro, whatever the fuck it's called in there. And then in this Tamaquad dude, I used another one. A lot of the ones that I've built that I've sold, I use Runcam micro, did a little, Runcam. But they're expensive, And the whole point of a micro to me is be able to fly anywhere, within reason, and make it a little bit cheaper, than you build a big bird for. Like my buddies in the club or other people I build quads for, they'll say, hey, I want you to build me a Jadina, blah, 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 or I want you to build the whatever. And it's like, okay, it's going to be $300. Or we can build a micro for $175. It's one of those types of things. So I was looking for a cheaper solution. And my brother Warlock in the club, and I had seen these before and never really paid it much mind, but my brother Warlock in the club bought one, and I thought, I'm going to buy a couple too. So I bought 3 of them. And it is this thing. The Caddx? I don't know. It's not a review. I don't do reviews. I just give my fucking opinion and whatever. I have not used it yet. I did a build this weekend, and it's not even done. I got to stuff the VTX in there, and I got to stuff my beeper in there. But I did put one in this Tamaquad frame, which is kind of a cool frame. Ooh, 130 thing. I like this. This is a build for me. You can always tell when they're a build for me because they always look like crap. I mean, not like Joshua Bardwell, horrible crap. I don't know if you guys saw that thing where he put 6 miles of electrical tape on the fucking arm. Anyway, this isn't a bash about him. So I did put one in here. I have not tested it yet because it's -6 degrees outside during the day. That's not counting what it is right now. So I did get 3 of these. And it's pretty freaking impressive. Look at this little guy. Measurement-wise, it's the same thing as any Runcam micro. It's 20 mil. 20 mil. Same as a Runcam micro or the Foxeer. It's got, hang on, I'm never prepared, right? 5-volt ground video and OSD controller. This one, however, the Foxeer, does not come with a bracket. These do. I think the Runcam does. Yes, the Runcam micro, little teeny dude, comes with a bracket. The Foxeer does not, but this one does. Very cool. And it comes with a little bit more of a sensible OSD controller. It's an omnidirectional joystick doohickey. I have not used it yet. It's not much of a review, right? And then it comes with the bits and bobs and, comes with, thank the Lord Almighty, it comes with Allen bolts, not Phillips. And I think, hang on a minute. Yeah, brain fart. No, those are Allen's. I don't know. One of the cameras I use comes with fucking Phillips still. It's like, really? But the good silicone wire, not that hard, plasticky, nasty stuff. Comes with foam for your barometer if you're building a drone. Get rid of that. Yeah, so very, very cool. And it's only 20 bucks. This one is 2.1 millimeter lens. 1200 TVL. Yeah, that's impressive. I heard... And I think my brother, Pete, in the club told me, don't quote me on that, but anyway, one of my boys told me that the Caddx 600 TVL was grainy looking in the video, but this is the 1200, and I will let you know, and you'll be seeing someday, when it gets warmer, DVR footage from this on my channel, and I'll revisit this. And if I forget, remind me. I forget to do follow-up videos all the time. I get excited because I'm doing all sorts of shit. But anyway, here's the Foxeer. I don't have a, I don't have a Runcam. I don't use Runcam unless I absolutely have to. I don't have good luck with them. I know everybody else in the FPV world does. I do not. I don't know. Anyway, that's another story. They're not bad cameras. I'm not dissing them. Okay, so here's the Foxeer. We're going to take lens caps off. Yeah. See, the form factor is different, but they are the same size. See the board? So we're going to do the scale It Tells No Lies because people actually give a shit about this. let's see, the Caddx comes in 5 grams. Foxeer comes in 6. Wow. I personally don't give a shit. I think that's silly. It's 1 gram. Ooh, but it's battery time. Yeah, whatever. All right. Whatever. So, yeah, I'm going to give it a shot. I think this Foxeer, is this a 6? Where the fuck? Hang on. Fucking hot. Cold in here. Hot. Woo, been drinking. All right, anyway, either way. I like the Foxeers. I'm not dissing it. I'm not even doing a comparison. But this is only 20 bucks. Bam. The only thing I would have to bitch about is these come in really kind of queer-ass colors. I think I'm colorblind, so it really doesn't matter to me. One of my buddies said, you ordered 3 of these that are the same color? I'm like, I'm colorblind. I don't give a shit. They come in like some pastel weirdo colors, my wife said, so whatever. I don't care. I don't base things off colors. But anyway, that's it. That's Caddx. For 20 bucks, shit. If it has a nice picture and no noise, I'm a happy kid. I think it'll work fine. So, until the next time, kids, keep the shiny side up. I'll keep you posted on this and let you know how it goes. Bam! Take care. Bye.
Bam, JJ!
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing.